clearly what was taboo about it.
Yeah, okay. So that's that's what we're trying to solve.
So the problem starts with the customer needs, right? What is what does the customer want? And so in this problem, we're saying, you know, it's a little bit contrived, obviously. The customer needs the ball to move this way. What are the constraints? The constraints on the use of hands. And so, and I notice you guys are working very carefully on the problem definition and get this right. So the problem starts with the customer needs. We've got two axioms, and these are we're going to use these to judge which solutions are going to be the best early on. Most engineers are working with some sort of design iteration cycle that goes like this. Try it, if it doesn't work. And so one of the things I noticed about your solution here is you started trying things, and you were putting stuff together. That's great. You know, oh, this didn't work quite right. And so one of the questions is, how many people tried something that took up some time that didn't work, that you ended up abandoning? So the point is, if we could more quickly say, no, I don't think that's going to work so well, then we could move on to a quicker solution.
But that's a learning process also, what they were doing, right?
Right.
They tried something, it didn't work, so they shifted. So now the question is, how fast can you learn it by trying to theorize and do something versus trial and error?
I think what we did here, as I looked at it, as I would look at it with my own kids, is when we did something, we never went back. We added to what was there. We didn't, it wasn't like we knew one thing wasn't gonna work. We knew it would be better if we added something. So we did not scrap one single thing here.
I kind of went from the solution and worked our way back to the top,
That's kind of what we
rather
tried
than
to
from
do.
top down, bottom up.
Well, Duke and Bill, you guys did a lot of conversing, going through what the problem is. You came up with a very good, elegant solution, and then you abandoned it.
No, we didn't abandon it. We just that was solution one, and then we had a reason to believe it wasn't going to be accepted. So because we were getting vague instructions. And
No, I think just a time issue.
Yeah, maybe.
I think it was.
Oh, you mean the competition?
I mean, if
No,
you put masking tape on,
Right,
if you don't like
If
that,
we were having a customer meeting, I would definitely have
that's
shown that to
right
somebody.
there, right?
Yeah.
You're done. And that's a solution, right? It's elegant. You know, there's very few resources required.
Right.
You know, a little time in it. So you came up with a solution, and then said, well,
Well, I think what we said was we better come up with something else. Not we're abandoning that, but we have reason to believe our customer isn't going to go for that. So
Well, one
we
of
better
the
have them back.
constraints was they couldn't touch the cups.
Right.
So that probably.
Yeah.
kind
But we
of
could have figured
in their
out.
mind.
We could have figured out a way
Yeah.
to put chopsticks on it, probably.
Right.